Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to pair your Earbuds SOUNDCORE C40i with your PC. You have to start by press one time at the Windows button on your keyboard and then write Bluetooth. Now you need to see Bluetooth on other devices, and now you can click enter or press on it. Right here you need to click add device and then select Bluetooth. Next, open the charging case. If your earbuds have no more connection, it will enter to prank mode automatically, but we can also enter to prank mode manually. Right here at the bottom we have connection button. You need to press and hold at this button until this LED light starts flashing like what I have right now. And now we should wait. And right here we can see it, so just tap on it and then click done. We did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!